Now see, this question is based on actually on the resolving power of the telescope. Calculate the resolving power of a telescope assuming diameter of objective lens to be 6 centimeter. It means the diameter of the lens is given to you, that is 6 centimeter. So that we can write 6 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter, and wavelength of light is used is, that is lambda is equal to 540 nanometer, that is 540 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. In this case, now we have to get the resolving power of telescope. So we can write D is equal to, resolving power is equal to D upon 1.22 lambda, 1.22 is constant over here. So we can write 6 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by 1.22 into 540 into 10 raised to power minus 9, and that can be written on solving 9.1 into 10 raised to power 4. So this is the resolving power of the telescope.